Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to learn about all the basic things that you need to know about Git, which includes account creation, um, repo creation, and publication. Everything are the basics you need to know about. So if you don't have any GitHub account, just going to github.com and just give your input like email address, username, like that. Once you have set your password, you can sign into your account. I'm not going to create my account because I have already plenty of GitHub accounts. So once you have created, just give your mail ID and password. Boom. Here, should be your login page. Once you have done, click on this new and just give your repo name. GitHub tutorials. Let's learn about GitHub together. So once you have created, if you can initialize your repo, you can use either one of this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to create a empty repo which will give me something like this. So this is my empty repo. After this, you just need to download the Git CLI according to your version. So if you are using Windows, you just need to install Git Bash. If you are a Linux user, just go on terminal and just type git or apt install git. That's it. So once you have done all these things, now you just need to time for set up the basics. If you don't have any projects, just if you have an empty repo, just create one, or if you have a already created project, just go on the folder and use git init. So once you have done that, it will create a .git file. If you are enabled show hidden file, you will get to know about the .git file. If you disable that, you won't see anything here. That's not a problem. Either you can enable or just leave that. So once you have completed, you just need to make the configuration. Git config. Either you can use global or local. After that, your username, and then git config global or local user dot email, and you just need to enter your email ID. So this is mine. I have created a configuration. After that, you just need to create a SSH key if you are using a Linux machine. So for that, you just need to type git SSH minus keygen minus t rsab4096 minus c your mail ID. So if you have done that, it will create a pair of SSH key, and once you have created with the default place, it will show some SSH key. Just copy that key and paste it on your settings. SSH and GPG keys. Add a new key. You can either give some title for your key and paste the key which is in the format like this. It will end at your opensshkey.com, something like that. So once you have created, add your key. It will ask for your password, and once you are done, you can access your GitHub from your terminal. add git remote add origin http. Just copy and paste this line in a notepad or something. Git has upgraded their policy after this August, so you just need to create a key value to access your repo. For that, you just need to go for developer settings and then personal access token. You just need to create a new token. You can enable all the things that you want, but don't forget to add this one, this one too. Just add everything and make the expiration as no expiration. You can make a note for your key, and once you have generated your token, it will show only one time. So take a copy of that and then return to your repo. Which you have created there. So in the place of github.com, you just need to add your newly created key, like here, http. Before github, you just need to enter your key and then put @ symbol. After that, it will be the same. So once you have done that, it will show anything. So git status, so you can see there is you are in a master branch and you have no commit sets. So first add your file on our local repo. So new document, okay, keywords, the text, and open in your favorite editor. Just add something like this. And save that file, close it, or you can still open that file. So if you see git status now, the keywords.txt file which is added new is shown on red color and it's said it's untracked. So to track that file, you just need to git add file name or just dot. This dot will add all those files. It won't பாரபட்சமே பார்க்காம போட்டு தள்ளிடும். So if you want to specify something, you can use that file name and add it. So if you save that git status, it will show it's a new file, but it's still not in a updated. So to update that into your repo, you just need to commit it. Git commit -m first commit with keywords. So just make some valuable message for your future you. So once you have done that, it's get committed. So finally you just need to git push origin master. So if you are doing that, it will take some time and it will be updated. So once you have pushed the commit, you can see on your website your first commit is shown here. The file is visible here. So that's it. That's all about how you create a repo and how you make your first push. So whenever you do, you just need to repeat the three things: git add, git commit, git push. That's it. So it will work fine. So bye guys.